Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are doing very well and enjoying your online classes. Today in your English language class, we'll discuss the assignment number 2 based on sequence of tenses that you have been given. And hope all of you have done. And today, you'll not only check your answers, but also you'll revise the rules what we have already learned in sequence of tenses. Okay, so let's begin. Sentence number 1. Uma finished first, though she dash late. In bracket is to begin. So here, Uma finished first. In principal clause, the tense is past tense, you know very well. So this is the rule. If the tense of principal clause is past tense, the tense of the subordinate clause is according to the tense of the principal clause one. And before that, I have told you, whenever you are using any sentence with a subordinate clause, so please put it in your mind that meaning doesn't change. Desired meaning doesn't change. Then only you change the tense of subordinate clause. This is the actually key of sequence of tenses. Though there are general rules that we have to follow. So here, as the tense of principal clause is past tense, or tense of subordinate clause will be also past tense. You see here, Uma finished first, though she had begun late. Here we have used past tense, but here this is past perfect. Why past perfect? Because you know very well, in the past tense, if two action finish, the action which completes first takes past perfect tense, and which takes and then it takes simple past tense. So here, Uma finished first, though she had begun late. So beginning of the action took place earlier than finishing. And here this is very clear difference. And it's clearly visible that beginning of action took place much before. Okay? That's why here past perfect tense. She had begun late. Now sentence number 2. She believed that God is everywhere. So here you know very well, if the tense of the principal clause is in past tense, and if subordinate clause expresses general truth or scientific fact, the tense of subordinate clause doesn't change, you know very well. So here, generally this is present tense. God is everywhere. You cannot say God was everywhere. So here, she believed that God is everywhere. In bracket it was be. Be means is rm. Whenever it is written be, it means is rm. So here, second form of is rm, was word. So here, was is. Here, present tense actually. So why was word? So here is. God is. Okay? So here the rule, what the rule implies here? The exception I have told you. Though the tense of a participle clause is in past tense, and though the tense of principal clause is in past tense, the tense of subordinate clause doesn't change if it expresses universal truth. So here it is in present tense. Now, third, the garden is now better kept than it was last year. In bracket this is B. B means is rm. So see here. Here the tense of principal clause is in present tense. See here. Is now better kept. Okay? So tense of subordinate clause happens according to the suitable sense or the desired meaning. So here as in subordinate clause, last year he mentioned, of course it happened in past. So here past tense will be used. So the garden is now kept. The garden is now better kept than it was last year. Sentence number 4. I am sorry that you dash waiting so long yesterday. In bracket kept. See here in principal clause this is present tense, but you are referring to the action which takes place in past, yesterday. So here of course past tense will be used. I am sorry that, but here past tense in passive voice. Very simple past tense construction passive voice. Was, were plus V3. So I am sorry that you were plus V3 kept waiting so long yesterday. Now come to sentence number 5. That is, her face lighted up as he dashed towards her. In bracket there is turn. So see here, both the action actually happened simultaneously in past tense. So here both tense of principal clause, subordinate clause, both will be in simple past tense only. Here, her face lighted up as he turned, as he said, because he turned towards her. Many of you may ask why their past perfect is not possible in the subordinate clause here. Yes, it's not possible because both the action happened simultaneously, and here there is no clear difference that looking towards her happened much before. Okay, her face when lighted. That's why here we have to take these actions as taking place simultaneously. That's why both the clause will be in simple past tense. Number 6. I asked him where he dashed the book, in bracket leave. Now here you see, in principal clause tense is past tense, and here you can see in subordinate clause action of leaving the book took place much before. Okay, then you ask the person. So it is very clear that leaving the book took place much before the action of asking. That's why you know very well, if in past tense, if two actions take place, the action which take place much before is expressed into past perfect tense. It's had plus V3. That's why here he had plus V3. Leave is first form, second form left, third form is left. So he had left the book. Now let's come to 7, sentence number 7. Amit told me that he dash come. In bracket this is will. So you know very well the tense of principal clause is past tense. So tense of subordinate clause change into the corresponding past. So here will, what will be the corresponding past of will? That will be would. Amit told me that he would come. Now this is sentence number 8. He would die before he lied. What is the meaning of? Actually here sentence is he would die before he dashed. In bracket to lie. Lie means, what is the meaning of lie? Speak wrong thing. Speak false. That is lie. To lie. So here he would die. Of course here this is past tense. So here in the subordinate clause it will be past tense. Before he lied. Lie. So, lie. Sentence number 9. We all knew that sugar is produced from sugar cane. This is the correct sentence. Why? You know, when subordinate clause expresses general truth, generally it is in present tense. We have learned it in direct and indirect narration also. That's how we all knew, though the tense of the principal clause in past tense, the tense of subordinate clause in present, because subordinate clause expresses general truth or fact. So sugar is produced from sugar cane. This is present tense. But in passive, what is the format for passive voice? In present simple tense, is RM plus V3. So is plus V3. Now 10. Number 10. She cannot read unless she dash glasses. Bracket where? See here. Here the subordinate clause begins with unless. See if subordinate clause begins with unless, until, when. Generally it is present tense. So see here, she cannot read. Here it is present tense only. This also will be in present tense. She cannot read unless she wears glasses. Now sentence number 11. It was 11 o'clock last night when I dashed to bed. Of course, tense of the principal clause is in past tense. So tense of subordinate clause will be accordingly. So here, where I went to bed. What is the meaning of go to bed? Go to sleep. This is the meaning. Number 12. After the rain was over. Now, after the rain dashed over, the sun was up again. So see here, principal clause is in past tense. But here both the action is soon after. Okay, soon after or just simultaneously you can say both the action takes place. This rain stops and just after a second sun is again up and sun comes out. That's why here both the tense will be in past tense. Means past simple. Because both the actions generally take place simultaneously. So here the action which take place first cannot be expressed in past perfect tense. Because both the actions take place simultaneously. It's very little difference of time. There is very little gap between these two actions. So after the rain was over, the sun was up again. 13. Who taught you that 2 and 2 dash 4? In bracket may. See here again. Though the tense of the principal clause is in past tense, the subordinate clause will be in present. Because here subordinate clause expresses fact, general truth. That 2 and 2 make 4. 14. She carried flowers whenever she dashed the shrine. Bracket visit. So here tense of the principal clause in past tense. So tense of the subordinate clause also will be in past. So she carried flowers whenever she visited the shrine. 15 and last is they made so much of noise. Of course here principal clause past tense. That of course subordinate clause will be in past tense only. So they made so much of noise that it was difficult to study. In this video, students, we have finished sequence of tenses. Now you will send me your notes, assignment number 1 and 2 by tomorrow. Okay? And after that we will begin new chapter. New chapter, what we are going to begin is comparison of adjectives. Okay? So enjoy your learning. Thank you.